Hello everyone! In the most cute ng Balaga Bohol, isa sa mga hiningian ng video greetings for our birthday celebrant, no other than Madam AA. Ayan, no? Hello Madam AA, wishing you the biggest slice of happy today. Happy birthday, my friend. Ayan, no? Another year and more amazing experiences, no? Have a blast, Madam AA. Ayan, no? Salamat na isa ako sa hiniyaan mo. And I wish you all, all the love and happiness, no? Sa iyong career, sa iyong work, sa iyong life, na I hope na lagi kang masaya sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. I'm so proud of the person you become, and I can't wait to see where this your year takes you, no? Ayan, Madam A, thank you for being such great friend. May your birthday be as amazing as you are. Ayan, so Madam A, thank you so much, at ito lang ang aking masasabi. Happy birthday once again. Bye-bye, Momo. I love you.
Ayan, meron po tayong babatiin, friend natin sa YT, si A. Lavender. My pronunciation is not good. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wala na akong masabi, basta happy birthday. Enjoy your day. From Mama Bell.
Shout out everyone, and we are here. I'm here to greet our birthday celebrant today. A. Lavender, Ma'am Annalyn Antonio Arthur. Happy birthday, Ma'am. Best wishes to you. Good health, more connection, more friends in YT world, and big community soon. Together with Meta, YT, Instagram. I think you have Twitter also, and TikTok, and WhatsApp. Dito lang kami. Thank you so much also to our co-host, Mary Ann Fanoncio. Ma'am, I am grateful to your help for making this event, birthday live stream to special day of Ma'am Annalyn Arthur. Thank you so much, and to your friends also, to all new subscribers to Ma'am. We grow together with the help of everyone, to connect each other. Ma'am, thank you so much for the blessings also, and we wish you all the best of your life and wealthy every year, and take care of yourself while traveling, going to work, or whatever you go. Thank you so much, and happy birthday. Love lots from our community team, Mamites, team Mary Ann Fanoncio, and especially thank you so much sa trust ng new members mo, starting this month. Thank you so much, and God bless all.
Sa araw na ito, ay nais kong batiin ng happy birthday ang aking baby na si A.L. Lavender. Anyway, baby, kahit matagal na tayo din nakapag-usap ulit, but you still my baby. At hindi naman ako nakakalimot sa'yo. Happy birthday, bebe. Sana sa iyong kaarawan. Ang nais ko lang naman sa iyong kaarawan na masaya lang lagi, stay healthy, stay happy, stay positive. Yun ang pinaka-importante. At higit sa lahat, yung pananalig natin sa Panginoon. Yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. So, gabayan nawa ng Diyos sa lahat, sa lahat-lahat, sa lahat ng lakad mo, kung saan ka man naroroon. So, just nang gagabay sa'yo. Again, happy birthday, bebe. I miss you na miss na kitang kausap. Miss na kitang kausap. Anyway, bebe, mag-iingat ka lagi. Ingatan mo palagi sarili mo. Kumusta mo sa family mo. And, Mami Tess is always here for you. I love you, bebe. Happy birthday again.
Hi guys, mega love shout out sa inyong lahat at as a subscribers of EL Lavender it's a birthday today. I'll greet a happy birthday and enjoy your birthday celebration and then enjoy your birthday with your family and then I wish is more birthdays to come and more success your channel as a subscribers for you. I wish your more success your channel and enjoy the YouTube world, enjoy the live stream and then yun lang, happy birthday and good luck sa mga may entry kay EL Lavender. Then sana manalo kayo ng madami at balato na lang, charot. Happy birthday.
Hello, good morning Ate, good morning. Mega love shout out sa lahat. Meron ako birthday na kasi Ate na kanyang happy birthday. Happy birthday Ate. Mega love shout out to all. Happy birthday. Happy birthday po Ate. Wish ko lang marami pang birthday ang mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Annalyn. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray! Hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip,